Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows up. Everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. I want to say happy birthday to my father. He'd be 98 or 99 today. March 10th. That's a beautiful thing. In fact, you know what's really cool? So check this out. My father's March 10th. One of my best buddies is March 15th. And Tommy is March 20th. You're going to love it, man. Always do your best. Express your own divinity. You don't need acceptance of others. You don't need knowledge of great philosophical concepts. You have the right to be you and express yourself. Express your own divinity by being alive, loving yourself, and loving others. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 497, NASDAQ up 43, S&P's up 32, gold contract up $6, trading at $17.23 an ounce. Silver up 4 cents, $26.19 an ounce. Light sweet crude up a half a buck, $64.51 a barrel. Notes and bonds. 10-year note up 6 ticks, 132.16. The 30-year up 10. At 158.03 in King Dollar. King Dollar's down 132 ticks, trading 91.824. The Euro's at 119. The yen is out here at 108.40, and the British pound is at 139 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? So we get the SPY right now trading up 329. You're at 390. Your high out here is 394.37. Bottom line, folks, we're going for that high. You know, you get 86 million shares out here today. You did $1.13 yesterday. This is going to do $1.20, $1.30. That high, we're going after it. NDX 100. We take a look at the NDX 100. NDX 100, which has the deepest pullback. Bottom line, comes off. Fast, furious, as the NDX loves to do. You're up 62 cents right now. Now, the NDX is going to run into a little flack. We are at up 67 cents at 312. You know, we'll see how this basically handles the flack. And the flack that we're talking about is that approximately from 324. 324, kind of right down to 317. Yeah, 317. 317 to 324. We'll see how we come into that area. Gold contract continues to get a bid out here. We take a look at the gold contract. That's GC. There we go. Gold contract right now up $6.20. You've done 209,000 contracts. We take a look at this baby, and what you're going to see, now the flack on gold will probably start about 1771. Right now, you're at 1723. So we talk a lot about where ICE is, okay? So that's where ICE sets up. So this is going to be important, you know, for all you bulls and bears out there inside the metals market. We'll see how it shapes up when it gets up to that level, because that level is going to be important as to how it comes into it in order to bust into that area. We go take a look at the silver contract, SI. I don't want the March. How am I doing here? Sorry about this, folks. SI1. There we go. There we go. Okay, so silver contract. Silver contract right now trading $26.19. Now, silver continues to be stronger than gold. You know, it didn't have as deep a retracement. You got juice behind the move out here. It looks to me like silver's going to get up into this $28.47 pretty quickly. If we go into the actual equities, we pull up the GDX and we take a look at the GDX. You're going to see you get a sideways move on the GDX out here today, which is cool because what's happening, you can see that it's only 10 million shares. Yesterday you did that 26 million. That's building cause. Now the cool thing is, I was just talking about the actual contract coming up to ICE. If the GDX can get into $33.25, that's going to put the GDX inside its larger range. So that's another one that you're going to want to keep an eye on. We go take a look at the miners inside the silver ETF, the SIL, and what you have inside of the SIL here, same type of setup. The difference is that the SIL never went into its lower, never broke the range that it's in. You know, so the silver SIL, this is trading 41, 46 is gain. Notes and bonds. Let's go take a look at that note and bond, because that's what's shaking, rocking, and rolling that market last week. And we have inside the note and bond market is that you have the 10-year up 7 ticks. You've done 1.18 million contracts. Good contract volume. You're going to have to get some follow through here, though. That's the real bottom line. But right now, not a bad looking setup. We go take a look at the dollar. What happens with the dollar is that we do a follow through to the downside today. We'll see if we can get another one. Dollar made it all the way up to ICE, which is the 94,500 mark. Right now, we're at 91,826. We'll go over, let's just take a look at the euro so you can see the correlations inside of the currency aspect here. Euro's trying to make to higher price. We take a look at the British pound. The British pound right now is trading at 139.29. And the pound, same type of setup, higher price. The yen, which is crucial that it gets stronger for the gold market. And what we have there with the yen is that it came off its highs. This was a fast move on the yen, man. If you heard Tommy and Teddy Cakestack talking about this morning, it was pretty amazing how fast the yen went from a price point of 104 to 109. I mean, Teddy just nailed this thing, and it was fast and furious. Bottom line, okay, you're backing down off that 109. Right now, we're at 108.39. Some of the higher volume equities out here that we have is that you have AMC's down 58 cents. The Reddit stocks are moving. We'll go through a couple of those, man. You talk about just the anyway, we'll go through them. Just in the aspect, I'm going to go through GameStop quick, because GameStop, this thing today, folks, was just phenomenal. Starts out the day, it had opened at 269. Goes up to 345 and then crashes to 172 in all of about 14 minutes. Trading 250 right now. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.